Hello YouTube, modeling up back at you with another decal review. This one again is from Two Bob's Aviation Graphics and is the 1/72 scale B-2 Spirit Global Strike Stealth set that they released. Set number is 72106 and is from Microscale Industries. Given the fact that this is only $14 US MSRP, which is what I paid from their website, I would say that this set far and beyond is worth the money, and you're about to see why. So, just to call it out ahead of time, again, this is going to be decals for the Model Collect B2A, as well as the Testers B2A. They call it out. I do have one of the old Testers kits, so I get to build that one. Which, from some of the builds that I've seen online, it's going to be an interesting one. In either case, though. Moving on, again, all of these are going to be from Whiteman Air Force Base in Missouri from about May of, actually, kind of all over when it comes to the years, but they're all out of Whiteman. So I'll basically kind of go through, call out some of the different options here. And just to kind of start off with, the kit I'm most likely going to go with is the Spirit of America, again, with the nice Let's Roll theming with that. It's really cool one. But then we also have the Spirit of Arizona. We have, which does have the Gravedigger on the inside of the wheel wells. We do have the Spirit of Indiana. We have the Spirit of Ohio, Spirit of Texas, Spirit of Missouri, Spirit of California. Moving on to the next sheet option, Spirit of South Carolina, Spirit of Washington, Spirit of Kansas, and that one is the oldest one from 1997. We also have the Spirit of Nebraska. Flipping over, Spirit of Georgia, Spirit of Alaska, Spirit of Hawaii, and Spirit of Florida. And then last sheet here, we have the Spirit of Oklahoma, again, 97, kind of an older sheet. Spirit of Kitty Hawk, Spirit of Pennsylvania, Spirit of Louisiana, and then is it. On the back here, we have kind of the overall color scheme and high-level decals for it. So let's actually take a look at the multiple decal sheets that we get. And it comes with 3. Third one is just a tiny one, and it makes total sense as to why they did this way. From a printing perspective, does make it a little bit difficult because you have to keep tabs of this if you're going to do the Let's Roll edition. I'll try to lock that in on my face. In fact, let me try to get you guys in a little bit closer so you can see this. So I apologize if it gets a little shaky here for a moment. Alright, let's get this up and close and zoom it in. So again, really nice clear artwork. Given that these were printed by Microscale Industries, I'm most likely going to go ahead and give it a small coat of their liquid decal film just to ensure I don't have any problems with shattering, anything like that. Again, the only decals that I've worked with them on is an old B-17 set that they had from ages ago, so probably that had more to do with the age, but again, given that this set is probably going to become hard to find pretty soon, I don't want to risk it. I do have the lower placards here, so we have Visible Defenders, Stealth and Militia, Anywhere, Anytime, everything like that. So, okay, awesome to have that. And then we get on to the main set here, which I love the way that they laid this out. Pretty much just going right down the line. So starting Spirit of America, Arizona, Indiana, all the way down here to the bottom in a nice, clear, concise order. We do have the Whiteman markings here, and then usually any additional, like the Gravedigger out here to the side and things like that. So anything that is special for them. So just make sure with like the WMs, you're checking your references to make sure what is going where. So that is pretty much it. That is the 1/72 scale 2 Bob's Aviation Graphics B-2 Spirit set, number 72106. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the review, and I will catch you in the next one. Peace.